So now I have a filter, so this gets fitted into this back side of the washing machine, and then you plug in this pipe onto this filter. Make sure you fit it properly so that there is no leakage. So this is how you fit this filter for washing machine. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. You have this filter now in between the pipe and the washing machine, and this will filter out all the salt and the hardness of the water before it gets into the washing machine. Hope this will help you understand how this filter can be used in your washing machine. Thank you. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.